496i Chevy coming at you with a quick video today. Got my boy Clint right here with a 2010 F-150. Put a little sound in this bad boy. We put some Alphasonic mids and highs in the doors a couple months ago. He got the JVC. Took the factory radio out. Got the JVC right here. It's nice. It's a KW XR610. Real nice radio. Puts out a lot of power to the highs. He's wanting a little bumpity bump in this bitch. So as you can see, we got the dash taken apart. Already got the remote ran. Got the battery wire through the firewall to the battery underneath the hood. We're about to run some RCAs. We're gonna run it back here to the back. Gonna hide it all. We're gonna hide it all the way underneath here, all the way to the back. Back here, we're gonna put on a Power Acoustic Gothic Series 800 watt. It's just a little JL10, holds about 600 watts. This will be a perfect amp for it. He just wants a little bump in here, so we're gonna put it in here and just see what we got. But whenever we get done with it or whatever, I'm gonna make another video and show y'all and let y'all hear some of it. So I'm signing out. 496i Chevy.